Today I'll be unboxing this gaming chair. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Actually, I'm not a game player. I don't have any gaming equipment, but I have low back pain. I need this chair to protect my spine. I feel that's the best thing I can have for myself. It is one of my best investments. If you're one of these people that sit for a long time while you walk, you will understand why I said so. And to crown it all, it's very easy to fix. You don't need any technician to do it for you. Even if you're not a handyman, you can do it yourself. When you follow the instruction, you'll be able to do it yourself. It's very affordable. It's not too expensive. I decided to fix it myself. I read through the instruction to make sure I understand what the manufacturers say and how they want it to be arranged. Why am I interested in this ergonomic chair? I believe that's what they call it, people in occupational health. Like I said, I'm having a low back pain, so I believe it will ease the pain. I sit a long time. I'm somebody that walk in a sedentary position for a long time. If you walk for a long time sitting down, you need to walk around after 2 hours, which I find it difficult to do. But because of the pain I'm having right now, I've decided to invest in this chair and also walk around every 2 hours. Walk around for like 30 minutes every 2 hours. And what I'm looking for now is maybe to get a standing desk. There's this standing desk. It helps stand for a long time. Why have I chosen this ergonomic office chair? There are so many reasons why you should also look out for this kind of chair if you're having low back pain. One, it makes you to sit comfortably as you're walking and also rest your feet on the floor. It also helps you to swivel as you walk, whereby you move around, you shift it a bit and stretch your waist. A chair that has been designed to support the human body. When you consider the posture, the comfort, the support, and health, because most often when we sit and we slump, it affects the spine. You're supposed to sit straight, upright, at arm's length, away from your computer screen. The top of the monitor should be at the same level with your eyes. Then you need to sit upright, sit straight, and avoid slouching. Your neck should be relaxed in a neutral position and keep your arms parallel to the floor while you sit with both feet flat on the floor and avoid crossing your leg. I know this one. I also default when it comes to this one. Whenever I sit, I like crossing my leg. So due to the problem I've been having, you need not to. When you have any problem with your back, you have to avoid crossing your leg while you sit. Make sure that you place both feet on the floor. This allows for correct blood circulation with your legs. And also, a good ergonomic chair will be adjustable to allow for better control and customized setting. So, having explained all this, just follow me on this journey why I couple the chair. Actually, it's not really a big deal. It's very easy to couple. When you unbox it, you start by selecting the nuts and bolts, arranging them away, putting them away at a very secluded place so that you don't bump into them, because once any nut is missing or any bolt is missing, it becomes a problem for the chair to be perfectly fitted. So you start by coupling the wheels, yeah, to the base, after which put the seat on the swivel. You tighten it firmly so that the knot will not be loose. The chair will be able to give you the firm support that you need. When you sit on it, you place your feet on the floor. Make sure you tighten the nuts and bolts firmly secure. That will help the chair not to collapse. It depends on your weight. You need to fix it firmly. Make sure it's firmly secured. Make sure that all the nuts and bolts are well tightened. Then after fixing it, you sit on it to test it, placing your feet on the floor to make sure that you're well balanced. One other thing I want to say, if you're the one fixing this chair yourself, make sure that you tighten all the bolts and nuts. I've said this severally. So that you make sure that the chair lasts very well. You will want to sit on the chair and after several days you find yourself on the floor. Depending on your weight, it will be good to make sure that the nuts are firmly tightened. I can't stress it enough. Now it's giving repetition, but I need to say it. Some people they use this chair, it might not last up to 6 months. It will start giving way, it will start shaking, it will not be very firm. But when you screw the nuts very well, then you'll be assured that even with your weight, the chair will be able to resist it. It will not fall off easily. the swivel part of the chair will allow you to move around, to swivel either right to the left, and the wheels facilitate for easy movement. Make sure that the seat is well positioned where it's supposed to be. Normally at the back of this seat there is something that is very hard, like stone. I think they put it there to give this chair some balance. You have the lever there to adjust the level of the chair. You can make it to go up, you can make it to go low, depending on your height and depending on the way you want to position the chair. But always make sure that your feet are placed on the floor so that you be balanced. Sit straight, shoulder high. The chair is in different colors too. Maybe you want a black color or any other color. I think I saw only black and white though. Maybe there are other colors, I don't know. Then people who are working remotely, this is a good investment for you. The chair is very comfortable. You might say, have I used my own? I saw it with a friend and I've already tested it before I've gone to buy it. You see that ridge on the back. It helps to support the spine. It will make you to sit in the right position. If you're working remotely, this is the time for you to maintain a good posture. Otherwise, after several days, you start having pains. Since this is where you work and where you make your money, you wouldn't want to have any health challenges that will impede you from making your money. So invest in your health, take care of yourself. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have more videos to upload. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.